In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Pay without ATM card. By the end, you'll have Google Pay set up using options like a virtual card, a prepaid card, or a bank account without relying on a physical debit or ATM card. First, open your browser and go to pay.google.com. This is Google's official site for managing your payments. Make sure you're on a secure network and look for the lock icon in your address bar for added peace of mind. Next, sign in with your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, double check the profile picture or initial in the top right corner so you're using the one you want to connect to Google Pay. Staying consistent here will make it easier to use Google Pay across your devices later. Once you're in, navigate to the Payment Methods tab. On desktop, you'll typically find this in the left-hand menu. On smaller screens, you may need to open the main menu first. This section is where you can see what's already linked and add something new. Now click Add a Payment Method. This button may appear near the top of the page or under your existing methods. Clicking it opens the options available in your region. Here's the key part. Instead of entering a physical debit or ATM card, choose and enter details for a virtual card, a prepaid card, or a bank account. A virtual card is usually issued by your bank or card provider and can be used online without exposing your primary card number. A prepaid card works if it's enabled for online and contactless payments. Just make sure it has sufficient balance and is supported by Google Pay in your country. If you prefer a bank account, look for the option to add one directly. Depending on where you live, you may be able to link your account securely through your bank's login or by providing account details. Some providers may perform a small temporary authorization or an automated check to confirm everything is set up correctly. Always review any fees or limits that might apply to your chosen method. After you've entered the details, confirm and save. You should see your new payment method listed in the Payment Methods tab. If an additional verification is needed, Google will prompt you on screen. Just follow those instructions and avoid sharing any codes with anyone else. That's it. You've created Google Pay without using a physical ATM card by adding a virtual card, a prepaid card, or a bank account. If an option doesn't appear, it may not be supported in your region, so check Google's help pages for local availability. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined Google Pay setup.